Talofa and welcome. The Pacific Islander Youth Alliance welcomes you with an AMA ceremony. Practiced and protected by the people of Samoa and throughout Samoa. Usi maya no pa fonga mala mai mo. Usi tamu whainga ne PIYA. E whātu kutukola ia ma whātu mau vea i ngā manu. Se tasi o ana mea sina o le awa Samoa. Tato walo awa.
A big round of applause for SCDC. That was incredible. Thank you so much. That pretty much transported me all the way back home. I am very lucky to be Samoan, so talofa again, and mommy brain. I just had a baby 3 months ago. Okay, would it be better if it was 3 weeks ago? Can I get a bounce back clap or something? Thank you so much. No. So I have a bit of mommy brain. I did introduce myself. My name is Miss Lulu from Island Block Radio. 24 hours, 7 days a week. We have an app. Download the Dash app so that you can listen to your favorite island artists every single day. But you know, nobody told me that when you have children, so I have 2 babies under 2, that your brain just kind of leaves you. So if I forget some things today, please help me out, participate, and be like, hey girl, you forgot about this and this and this group and that group. We're here together as a team and we're gonna do this together. I have some giveaways for you throughout the dance showcase, so please feel free to come and peep them out from all the vendors outside. You have to enjoy all our vendors that are here at IRF. 7th annual, lucky 7 today. How about you give it up for IRF? 7 years, everybody. I know, I can't believe it's already been 7 years and we've got to enjoy that. We also have the beautiful Miss for the beautiful Laura Lauti. Oh my goodness, I could just look into her eyes. Okay, that's for a different show. We have our next group setting up right now. So let's do some giveaways. We have also DJ Ipoki. Give it up for DJ Ipoki for our beautiful little music, my love, please. Just a bit in the background while I do these giveaways. Where is everybody from? Are we from Northern California, San Francisco in the house? Wow, okay, coming strong. All right. We also, do we have Oakland in the house? All 2 of you. Thank you for joining and participating. Oh, right here in the front row. I love it. And we have San Jose. All right. I still feel San Francisco's still winning right now. Do we have anybody from Southern California? Nice. From Los Angeles? Oh. Where are you ladies from, Southern California? From where? Whittier. Oh, welcome. Do we have anybody from out of the country, maybe? Okay, where's that? Where do we have? Oisale Salafa. Hey, I think that's my cousin out there. Hey, what's that? Welcome, family. Samoa in the house. Do we have anybody from New Zealand? New Zealand? You can pretend and start yelling. That's good too. Do we have anybody from Western Samoa? From the independent Samoa in the house? No? All our roots are from there though. That's cool. Do we have any south of the border? Our Spanish, our Mexican folks, are they in the house? You know, we welcome all cultures here at our Island Festival. All right, our giveaway, our first giveaway we have from Ava Ava's Lava Lavas. That's pretty easy to remember. And the first person to get up here can grab it. We have a t-shirt, we have an ula pua, and their card. Okay, get it, huh? Don't fight. See? And then it's that easy, folks. Thank you so much. Pakitai Lava. We got our giveaways today. So really easy to do that. We got some more giveaways that I want to, you see these beautiful staff that are black. If you need any help, have any questions, we're here for you. We also have some games that we would going to be plenty of them and such awesome giveaways. So you want to come up here and participate and let loose because that's what Island Reggae Fest is all about. Have we enjoyed some of the food? All right, you're going to have to let me know. Don't forget to always bring a plate for the host because I'll be getting hangry over here. I'm still breastfeeding, so if I squirt you in the eye, I'm sorry. It happens. It happens. Don't hug me too tight. I have another giveaway here for you for Aina Clothing. They're right outside, actually. A brand new company, Aina. Some Aina clothing. And I'd like to give it to anybody who comes from all the way in the back row. Right up here. Come on, baby. leg. Work it, work it, work it. Come on, DJ, can I get a song with that shit? A song with that shit. Come on, guys, you gotta participate. It's too awesome. That's how easy it is for our giveaways. It's not gonna be as easy later on, so I'm warming you up. We also have DJ Funky. We're gonna have some music right now. Come up here and dance, especially for the little ones. We have maybe one of the favorites, crowd favorites. Oh snap. Okay, you guys are ready? Please feel free. We have all this space. While our next group is still setting up. This is not with me. I'm old. I'm up here doing it. Teach me how to do this. There'll be a special prize for a Whip and Nene special. Come up and show us like your whipping moves. Do the Whip and Nene? Okay, give it up. Big round of applause for our pretty princess here who's going to demonstrate the Whip and Nene because Auntie Lulu doesn't know how to do it. Show Auntie Lulu how to do the Whip and Nene, okay? This is the island Whip and Nene. You gotta do some hips with it too. Friends, we love participating today. That's fabulous. Where are you from, Gigi? Okay. She said I was pride. I love it. Now, who taught you the Whip and Nene? You can tell me it was Dad. You can tell me that if it was, no, it was just you. Okay. And then you're gonna teach Auntie Lulu, okay? You ready? All right. The anticipation is killing me right now. Get it, Gigi. Oh, wow, your whip was so spectacular that it just stopped the DJ in his tracks. Give it up for our beautiful Gigi and the Whip and Nene. I'm going to need another personal lesson. Thank you very much. We have a beautiful gift for you. Thank you so much, Gigi. We have so many more activities and participation points so that we can give these giveaways for you. But now we are ready. Woo! Got me sweating up here. We have next up Manuia Polynesian Review. Give it up for Manuia Polynesian Review. Tommy Tuolowele, award-winning dance and entertainment group in the Bay Area with studios in Daly City, Hayward, and their goal is to spread the beauty and passion of the Polynesian island cultures by way of music and dance. One more time, everybody, put your hands together for Manuia Polynesian Review.
Port Agangka.